Aloha all my YouTube subscribers, pigeon fanciers, pigeon racers, and all you pigeon lovers. Today is June 20th. It's about 1:20 in the afternoon. I'm out here at Money Tree again. Winds today is east southeast 11 miles an hour. Temperature is 83 degrees. The humidity is at 63, so it's very humid today. Again, I'm on my fifth release point for this pigeons. They're ready to go. Let's check them out. My bird's been sitting here for about 10 minutes now. I still got all 27 of them. I got a video coming up on the return and the release. So again, this is release number 5.